Hey guys, what's up? Deji here. Anyway, hey, what's up? We're gonna be doing a Cooking with Nelson video.
Damn, that shit good.
Today we're making, you can't see it, but we're making some classic ramen soup. I guess you could say the catch today for this video is we're gonna try and make it decent with only stuff out of our fridge. Nothing too fancy. I'm out of frame. Alright, nothing too fancy, you know, just some simple stuff. In my crib, we keep only the freshest ingredients for the dopest, sickest foods. You know, Master Chef's gotta have it. As you can see on the packaging, which I'll get right here, it's artificial chicken flavored, the good stuff. It looks like we're gonna need some green onions, maybe a bit of cabbage, sesame oil, and chicken. Fortunately for us, we have none of that. We got some old spaghetti. We got some peppers. I like a bit of heat. We got yikes, I really hope that's not all we got. I think that's all we got. But oh shit. We're gonna need a proper pot for this. Right, so I got our ingredients set aside. So my plan here, what we're gonna do, first off, turn on the light. Ramen here, and we're just gonna go give her a little cut. My screen is so cracked right now, so it's hard for me to judge whether anything I'm filming is of decent quality. Come on. I hate it when you get these damn woods. Oi. Fill this up with water. Come on, keep up with me here. Keep up. Should be enough. Gonna get our water. Put her on there. Looking good. Don't make that sign, kids. It's for white power. Next we're gonna get our cutting board. Bring her over here. Fuck. Oh shit, don't tell me. Did I actually break it? Okay, no, it's good. My sister, I'm pretty sure, took every single bloody meatball except for one, which sucks. So that's all the meat we're gonna have for our soup. Your goblin's got the knife. You want to just gonna make a quick little incision like so, and bam! All it takes, buddy. Ah, this is so corny. All right, now we're gonna just get one of these peppers, same kind of style, make a quick little, and you're good. So, we've been we're gonna let the water boil up here a bit. We got our noodles, so when that's boiled, we'll put the noodles in. We'll add the seasoning, mix with the meat. Here we go. Fucking. Wait. Stand back. Oh! What the fuck was that? We got his food. We're gonna bring it over here. Alright, give me a second. So we got everything in there. It's actually looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. But while I'm stirring this, let me just explain something real quick. It's gonna be a shit video. Hopefully I become a better editor and I can make something of this. Cause usually I would normally have try and film this or something, but you know, it's summer. I've been a bit restless these days and I just wanted to get something done. Alright, so we're gonna get this plate, put it right on top. And that should be good. We're gonna let that sit for a second or two. And we'll check back in when I've plated it. Son of a bitch.